G'day, welcome back to Griffith's Garden. Just having a bit of a wander around, seeing how things are progressing. And a quick check-in to let you know that things are really progressing quite well, in fact. So, not just welcome back to Griffith's Garden, but amazingly, welcome to 100 subscribers. You have no idea how that feels. Quite surreal, to be honest. Amazing to think that there's 100 of you that hit that button to subscribe. That means that you want to check in and see what's happening in my life here in Griffith's Garden. So, I really want to I really want to say a huge thank you to all of you that have managed to subscribe, hit that button, and put a huge smile on my face. Very, very humbling. Very, very exciting in a way. All the good things. And hopefully I can make it worth your while as we continue through to, well, however many subscribers we end up getting. But, you know, first 100, that was the goal that I had written at the beginning of the channel. So, I don't know, I guess I need to update that to something a little different now. But, yeah, once again, just a big thanks. I can't thank you enough, and it's really quite surreal again. So, thanks. We'll have a quick look around. It's not going to be a weekend walk around. That'll be coming soon, but you will definitely notice quite a bit of change, and you probably have already behind me. So we'll just do a really quick wander, but the purpose of today's video was just once again to say thanks so much for joining me on this little journey. So let's have a bit of a look, shall we? So what you can see behind me here is a heck of a lot of greenery. These 4 little zucchini plants, well, they're not so little anymore. They're going bonkers. We're picking at least 2 to 3 zucchinis off of those plants every day. Yeah, I think you saw me plant some beans there. They're coming along and starting to flower. And this massive greenery right here is potatoes. So these are going to start dying back soon. And even though we've had all that rain not that long ago, we've had absolutely nothing since. So you can see them starting to die back, but they're also quite tall, so they're falling over a little bit, and you're getting new growth coming up from where the stems have been exposed. So that's all good. So we'll do a quick flyby the famous KY1 tomato. That's going all right. The cayenne chilies, the corn is starting to go bonkers, and of course the tomatoes out here that you've seen, and the billions of weeds. But there's a story behind all that. So that's just a really, really quick snapshot of what's happening inside the yard for now. There'll be more updates on the spinach over there, obviously the potatoes and the zucchinis and the beans, and then of course I'll take you outside and show you the pumpkins, the cucumbers and the eggplants probably in the next weekend wander. So once again, still blown away. It only happened late this afternoon, so I thought I'd just come out and, you know, say massive thanks for that. So again, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for checking out this video and your contribution to the success of this little channel. So that is it for today from Griffith's Garden. Thanks again. Bye for now.